Hey friends, it's David Avrin, customer experience keynote speaker and author of all of these books by my head. I'm so excited to be joining you in Amsterdam for the Airport Parking Network event coming up November 10th through 12th. And we're going to talk about your customer experience. What does a new generation of customers expect in terms of speed, flexibility, choices and options, simplicity of process, and of course, convenience. We're going to talk about how do you future-proof your business, your engagement, by becoming ridiculously easy to do business with. I hope to see you in Amsterdam, November 10th through 12th, the Airport Parking Network event. Register today. We will see you there.
In an uncertain world, it can make sense to stay safe with tried and tested behaviors and wait for uncertainty. But what if we could transform fear into fuel for progress? Use adversity to uncover our potential. Hi, I'm Andrew Bryant, and I'm thrilled to be your keynote speaker at the Airport Parking Network event 2025 in Amsterdam from November 10th to 12th. This event will bring together industry leaders from around the world to share insights and spark new ideas. In my keynote, Owning the Unknown, Self-Leadership for Uncertain Times, you will learn how to be the driver, not the passenger of your life. You will discover what executives can learn from athletes and how we are all called to step up our leadership. I'm looking forward to sharing my research and insights from working with top leaders around the world. So be sure to register now, and I'll see you in Amsterdam.